So today we will learn that how to connect your EC2 instance to a MobaXterm terminal. So for this you have to create one EC2 instance, then download MobaXterm from Chrome browser or your favorite browser and search on the search bar MobaXterm. Go to this first website and then you will see here Home Edition free. Go to download, select this one and download it. So now as you can see our MobaXterm has been downloaded successfully. Now extract it. I am going to extract it on my desktop. Open it and install it. So as you can see our MobaXterm has been installed successfully. I'm going to choose dark theme. So now go to session, click on SSH. You have to give remote host ID, so you will get this from your AWS account where you create your EC2 instance. Select your EC2 instance and go connect. Here you will see your public IP address. Copied it and go back to your MobaXterm terminal, paste it here, then go to advanced setting, select your private key. When you create your EC2 instance you have to create your own private key. Here we will use PAM file. In putty you have to use only ppk file. So I am selecting here my PAM file. Here it is my PAM file, and now hit the OK button, accept it. So as you can see here you have to log in as, means you have to enter your admin name. So for this you have to go back on AWS console and you can see here your username is Ubuntu. Copied it, or you can type here also manually. I am going to type here and then. So here you can see our EC2 instance has been successfully connected to a MobaXterm terminal. So I am going to update it. For this you have to write sudo apt update. So now as you can see our EC2 instance, which is Ubuntu, now as you can see our Ubuntu has been successfully updated, and now you can do whatever you want to do in your account. Now we will learn in next video how to install Nginx server on your EC2 instance and how can you host your own website on that server. So thank you for watching.